troubleshoot Toyota Land Cruiser no start. Toyota Land Cruiser no start. Try no start. Ganun lang. No like him start. No. Check battery first. Check battery. Check battery. Check battery using battery tester. Using battery tester. You check battery. Check battery first. Reading. Battery good. Battery good. Starter problem. Starter problem. Battery guys, ganito lang yung pag-check sa battery gamit ang battery tester. No? Pointer niya pag i-press mo to, pag 11 yung reading, 11 ganon. Okay yung battery. Starter yung sira. Take out starter. Take out starter guys. Ito yung i-replace natin na starter. Bago pala kayo mag take out starter guys, isra take out one flat terminal battery first. Yan po ipapalit natin. Ito po yung helper ko. Kapit na yan guys, kapit na yung bago. Ito na yung ito na yung sira yung starter. Ito. Palit na tayo ng bago. Palit na tayo ng bago ng starter. Yan, kabit na. Ito yung problem starter. Replace starter already. Ito na yung kabit natin guys. Ito na yung bagong starter kabit natin. Gusto na. Titanium bolt low starter.
Juni waya na wanda ni ki bloki waya.
Juni ko kata no, positive loop tamblo ya. Juni finish. Juni no. Lari pa si buting battery pa siya. Ito yung battery. Testing ta guys, testing. Testing. Testing starter. Testing. Okay, start na. Start na. Okay na yung starter guys. Okay na. Kilim. Kill. Start again. Okay.